Hi, my name is David Dobelweiss. I'm the creator of ELT Buzz teaching resources. And today I'd like to show you how to simply download a file that you want to use with your classroom. It's very, very easy. So let's just get started by choosing a file. And you can search for files, use the tags, or use our site directory to find what you need. But once you've found something you need, you'll have to download it. Just click simply download, and it will download onto your computer, and you can save it in a folder. Now this is a premium product, so you'll have to be paid, but we also have a lot of free products on the site, and you can get those by clicking free resources and browsing through them and finding the ones you want and need. And same thing, simply click the download button and save it. If you're signed up as a member, you can also save to your library. So if you click Save to Library, I've already saved that one. So let's just go to the library again and find it here in my library. So all your save files will be under Recent Save Files. And here we go. And you can just download it from there, but keep it here so you can find it. You can also make folders here, etc. If I go back to Search Files, and I choose a file, I'll show you the last method of saving files. And that's saving to your Google Drive. So you just click. At first you'll have to connect it to your Google Drive, and then afterwards you can simply just save it and it'll appear right in your Google Drive under whatever folder you selected. We'll be shortly adding a Google Classroom button, so you can immediately just assign a resource right into your Google Classroom. So thank you for your time, and that's how you download resources on ELT Buzz Teaching Resources. Over and out.